Hey, Madonna here. Getting more questions again about detoxification for obvious reasons. And today I listened to a 2-hour video with Del Bigtree, and he was listening to a researcher, Andrew Reed. I highly recommend you check that one out because there was some studies done with chickens. So that just gives you a tip where my brain's at today after that 2-hour interview. And basically the detoxification process, it's going to be really important for us. And not only detoxification, but protection is going to be even more. It's going to be even more. Hello. It's going to be even more important. So protection, we need things like CoQ10, vitamin C up to bowel tolerance, CoQ10 to protect our brain and our hearts, vitamin C to bowel tolerance because it's both a fat and water soluble antioxidant, and of course vitamin D. Make sure you get your blood work checked and make sure your levels are at least 80. So, and for those people who are in cold weather, it's easy for vitamin Ds to really slump, but there's some indication that those who are choosing to wait until the end of the experiment before making a decision on experimental medications might actually be in fairly big danger from those who have chosen to be part of the experiment. So it's really about making sure you can do everything you can to protect yourself. One of the things that another doctor was saying was that if you train if you keep people apart 2 meters, 6 feet, whatever, across the planet, then the less virulent strains that die out over 1 meter or 2 feet or whatever, they die out, and the stronger ones actually continue to be part of the viral chain. So just some interesting stuff this morning, but I think protection is really important. Obviously, I love my zeolites, glutathiones, lipoic acids, all of those sort of things to help to detox after. But of course, there's nothing that can be done if our genes are actually changed as a result of this experimental medication. So that's just my very quick update, and I will do a more in-depth video shortly. Have a great day.